we take the bowl like this, and we must mix the ingredients in the bowl. Okay? What are we doing at this time? Are we putting the pudding mix into the bowl?
Stop with that fraction extra.
Oh,
I'm that woman.
Look,
Do not have mustache.
well, I didn't say that. I'm telling you how to do your cooking.
What are you making, Grace?
Tell the lady with the camera what you're doing.
What are you making?
We're making pudding.
Pudding. We are making pudding. Pudding.
Pudding. Okay.
Yeah, English pudding. English chocolate pudding. Chocolate pudding. Okay, so now what is the next thing we have to do?
2 cups of milk.
4 cups of milk. 2 for each box. So 4.
4 cups.
There's 4 cups.
Right here.
That's 4 ounces. See if there's
4
cups. So 4 cups is right there. Whoa. Okay. So I will pour the milk to 4 cups. Here we go.
Put my finger right here.
Okay, you put your finger right there. We are mixing the milk to go into the chocolate. Chocolate pudding. Oh, we love chocolate pudding.
Stop.
Stop. Okay, now you have your whisk. Whoa, be careful, careful, careful. Pour slowly, very slowly. Keep pouring. Yeah, we'll do this. We have pudding. Oh, very good, good girl. Okay, now whisk for 2 minutes. Whisk and do not spill. Oh, Gramps almost spilled.
We are making pudding.
Pudding.
Stop with that accent.
Good job.
Good job. She's doing it.